lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Albai and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. That's why you're pretty, period. So I went to the gym today. I woke up super early. I was so happy. I'm finally getting back on track and we're finally getting back to the gym. It's going to be a great year. I know it's February, but still. But yeah, so I went back to the gym. Today was upper body day. So I just did all the workout that, like, basically a pull day. And these are my favorite machines. I do these two machines, and then I do this press, whatever you call this, shoulder press. I don't know. But anyway, these work really good for my back and things like that. So that's what I usually do. I keep it simple, just a couple. Then I ended it with some cardio on the bike. So then I went home and made myself this protein oatmeal. After that, I went to my mom. I went to go like do some meal prepping and things like that for her. She's actually on a journey too currently. So she's trying to eat a little bit more healthier and things like that. So I made her this salad. But you guys see my mom standing on the right? You can see her body right there. She's basically helping me hold this camera. She saw me holding it with one hand and she was helping me. It's giving a supportive African ma'am. Okay, but I'm so thankful for her. Yeah, so I actually made this chicken earlier. I just didn't record it. But yeah, I made this chicken and salad with a little bit of rice. But yeah, she's just on a journey with me, and it's actually been easier for me because I know that there's somebody else that's like kind of on the journey with me. So I kind of have to cook healthy. But yeah, so this is what I made her. Yeah, and then I made her some lemon cucumber water. I'm trying to have her drink more water. I'm trying to drink more water. But anyway, I'm trying to get her into like the whole water drinking, like, at least like 3 of these cups. So I put lemon and cucumber in it just to kind of enhance the flavor of the water and things like that, and for detox properties. After my mom's, I went home, showered, then I did a little bit of work, just like some editing, some video prepping and things like that. Then I went to go pick up my kids from school, and then I guess the first thing they wanted to do was get some sugar. But here we are, getting some donuts. Afterwards, we went home. Then I decided to make like a food list because I was getting tired with them with like just being so picky. Every time I make something, they're like, I don't want that. And I made a chores list. And that was it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.